In this video, I'll show you how to change the display resolution on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. What's now to change the display resolution? First thing first, simply go and open up the Windows key at the bottom right here and then click on settings here. Now once you're here inside your Windows 11 computer settings, and all you have to do is just need to go to the system file here, and once you're here inside the system, click on display. Under the display, you'll get the scale and layout. So the first option is the scale. So if you want to zoom in and out your display from here, the text size and others, so you can actually adjust it from here. And also you'll get to see the display resolution. You can click on this and you can select the different resolution for your computer screen. So I already selected the highest one, the recommended one, so you can select this. This is the best resolution for the computer, and this is how you can change the display resolution on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.